Hello guys, welcome to another video of the Ben channel. And today I'm with my friend Yothro. And we are going to show you how to get broccoli in the mines. So from what I recall,
Evan is not. No, dude, get out! It's over here.
Oh. The mines, from what I recall, is the only place you can get broccoli. So, and if it isn't the only place you can get broccoli, it's the easiest way. So,
Let me get that.
Yeah, let's just mine some stuff, and we're gonna show you how to get broccoli.
It's no longer at the bottom. I'm telling you, it's no longer at the. Let me have that. Let me.
Wait, what do you mean it's no longer at the bottom?
It's in a different. Dude, it's in a different. Dude, stop stealing my. Yeah, it's not at the bottom anymore. Look, this way is patched.
What about the other ways, though?
This way is patched. Every way is patched. Listen,
wait, is it?
Listen.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is no longer at the bottom. Oh no. Oh, wait, is it here? No, not here.
Let's try.
Wait, maybe it's over at the other one.
Come on.
Oh, there's Armstrong.
No, that's not normal Armstrong. That's bacon Armstrong.
Oh.
That's bacon Armstrong.
Why does it look like bacon?
Oh, yeah. We call him Bacon Armstrong.
Why is
we call him Bacon Armstrong.
A piece of bacon.
And don't forget that normal Armstrong is there too. Normal Armstrong is there too. Oh, I got a company ration.
Oh, keep it. But we're gonna show you how to get to the solar system to get broccoli.
Well, I don't even know if it's still in the game. Oh,
there's two Armstrongs here. Wait, maybe over here? Wait, let's go over here. Go!
Dead end? Really, bro?
Maybe it's not here. Maybe it's not here.
Kill him! Kill Armstrong!
Let's go. Lance, no.
Is that Armstrong or Bacon Armstrong? That's Bacon Armstrong. Bacon Armstrong respawn! Come on, Armstrong! Die! Now Bacon Armstrong!
Oh no. No, not another Lance!
I died!
I know!
I'll be coming back. I'll try, okay?
Go.
Take my stuff.
Go.
Come on, bro. Wait for me, okay? I'll come back, I promise.
Okay. Get his grappler.
Hey, I'm back.
Here's your grappler, and here's your pickaxe. Wait, no. Oh no. That one's your pickaxe. Go! Okay, never mind.
Okay, I have my stuff back.
Alright, we need to hurry this up. This isn't the way. This clearly isn't the way. Grab your glow stick.
It's in me. It's already in me, bro.
Oh, okay. Let's go. This clearly isn't the way.
I'm not
maybe over
still
here.
in the game.
Maybe over here.
Yeah, maybe over here.
Wait, I think it is over here. Yes, it's over here. It's over here. Yes, it's definitely over here. Okay. Oh, there's a mimic.
Mimic! Kill him! Let's kill him.
You're on your own, man.
He's angry.
Ah! Get away from me, you freaky freak! You freaky freakazoid!
Nope. He's glitched. Kill him. Yes, he died.
Football.
He's died.
Nah.
Yes,
Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go.
Wow, that.
Oh yeah, this is over here. So this is how you get broccoli. So, you go, instead of going over to where you would normally go to get to the lava area, you're going to go the other way. This one falls! Yep, that one falls. So you're going to want to...
What?
This one also falls. If you don't have a grapple hook, watch my tutorial on how to get a grapple hook. So, you're gonna want to get through here. And yes, here. And this is the planet of purple crystals. I got a research point. Oh, I just got a research point. Alright, let's see if there's anything down here. It's a crate. Get the crate.
I don't know if I need my light
glow
anymore.
stick. Just another glow stick.
Do I need my light anymore?
It's just another glow stick you'll throw. So for pink broccoli, the one that makes you small, it would be on this planet right here. Here is the pink broccoli. Feel free to pick it up and eat it. Now, for the green broccoli, that is on Earth. The one that will make you giant. Feel free to pick it up and eat it.
Hello!
Hello, Yothro. Oh.
Hello.
Oh, hi. Very big. Very intimidating, very big. So, in order to get back very quickly and go back to the world as ultra giants, then you will want to eat 2 purple or I guess pink broccolis. After you eat 2 pink broccolis, oh my god, he's so big. After you eat 2 pink broccolis, and then go into the Earth at this place where the home part is, you will go back to spawn in ultra size. The biggest possible size that you can be in Animal Company. I can go through the minefield like it's nothing. I'm not even triggering them, bro.
Hello.
Hello, Yothro. I'm gonna see how big I am compared to him. Hey, dude. Oh! It ran out! It ran out!
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
I'm in the forest. But yeah, that's how you get broccoli, guys. Sorry for the detour, but that is showcasing of Bacon Armstrong. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if this helped you, please like and subscribe. Sorry for the detour again, but, yeah. Peace out. Yothro! Yothro, where are you?
I'm still in the planetarium.
Eat some small broccolis and then go into the home thing on the Earth, and then you'll get back to the home planet at your biggest size. But yeah, that's the tutorial with me and Yothro. Bro, mark my words, I'm going to kill him one day.